All right, this is my presentation about genetic disease, which is Xeroderma pigmentosum, or XP for short. So what it is that it's a rare genetic disorder of the skin being extremely sensitive to ultraviolet rays, and it's confirmed by doing a blood test. There's not a way to prevent the disease because it's genetic, and 1 in 1 million people in the United States, 2.3 per million people in Western Europe, and 45 per million people in Japan have this genetic disease, and is also common in North Africa and the Middle East. It's just I couldn't find the numbers about like how many people have it. The characteristics, like I said, it's high sensitivity to UV light, and because of that high sensitivity, there's an increased risk of cancer, and there's also ocular involvement, so your eyes will be more sensitive to light, which is called photophobia. There's inflammation of the cornea, which is keratitis, and inflammation of the lining of the eyelids, which is called conjunctivitis. Uh, you'll also have neurological problems. So you'll have hearing loss, intellectual disability, and developmental delays. There'll also be skin changes. So you have dry skin, you'll have freckling, like you see in the photo, and changes in skin pigmentation. Uh, Pathology. Uh, it is a mutation in the nucleotide excision repair, or NER, of the autosomal recessive genodermatosis. So the NER mutation limits the ability of the cells to repair damage caused by UV rays, and both parents must have the recessive gene in order for their kids to have this genetic disease. Um, so the mutation occurs in at least 8 different genes, and there are different subtypes. So those mutations are XPA, XPB, XPC, XPD, XPE, XPF, XPG, and XPV. The average life expectancy is 29 years. That's with neurological features, but without the neurological features, the life expectancy is 37 years on average. Symptoms of ectoderma pigmentosum: you get thinning of the skin, you get poor muscle control and spasticity, progressive loss of thinking skills, freckling before the age of 2, inflammation of the cornea, you'll have dry eye and blistering sunburns. Um, so the uh, mutations is one of them is a nonsense mutation, which can lead to a complete loss of protein function, which then will lead to in the inability to repair the damaged DNA. And also, there's a missense mutation, which leads to a change of amino acid sequence, which will disrupt the three-dimensional structure, leading to misfolding, aggregation, or mislocalization. Some treatments, there's eye drops to help lubricate the eye and reduce cornea inflammation. You can also have hearing aids since you can like have hearing loss, or you can get cochlear implants, which is electronic device that is surgically implanted in a person's ear. You can also have surgery to help remove skin cancer if it's developed, and to treat certain eye conditions. And you'll also have to take vitamin D supplements since you cannot get vitamin D from the UV rays from the sun. And this is just my works cited page.